Hi, welcome to Yacht Video Boat Sales. This Friendship 23 is for sale, lying in Faro in Portugal. She's fin keel, sloop rigged, in excellent condition. She's on Portuguese registration at the moment, but can easily be switched over onto British SSR registration. The storage fees here in Portugal at the Navapegos boatyard are about £110 a month including tax. The launching fees in the yard are £25 each way, I believe. You can find all the details on the Navapegos website. There's a link in the listing to that site. The engine is 2009 with very little use. I believe the owner said it had only done about 100 hours. And you can see by the condition as well. It's got its own fuel tank inside the boat, or you can run it off the tank on the engine. Tiller steering. Take it up on deck. It's got a solar panel to keep the battery fully charged. And there's a little sink just underneath the drink holder there. Now we'll go down below. Quite a roomy boat for 23-footer. She's got 5 berths, 2 forward, 1 down the side and 2 aft. As you can see, all the upholstery is in excellent condition. I believe it was new last year. And it's all got zippers, so you can take the covers off to wash them. As you can see, there's plenty of storage facilities on this boat. A lot of leg room in these aft berths, and underneath here we have the head. Table here slides out on top of the cupboard. There's plenty of room on this for installing a cooker and a fridge if needed. And Here's the sink. Quite a small water tank capacity, it's only 50 litres. Now I'll leave you with some pictures of the boat. For full details you can get everything at the website www.yachtgrot.com. Thank you very much for watching this video.